Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Klaviyo for AI email flows step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Klaviyo website. Log into your Klaviyo account using your credentials. Once logged in, click on the Integrations tab located in the left sidebar. In the Integrations section, scroll down to find the API Keys option. Click on API Keys to view your current keys. To create a new API key, select the button that says Create API Key. A pop-up window will appear prompting you to name your new API key. Enter a recognizable name for the API key, then click Create API Key. Your new API key will now be visible in the list. Copy the newly created API key to your clipboard. Next, navigate to the AI email flow software you are using. Look for the Settings or Integrations section within this software. In the Settings, find the option for integrating with Klaviyo. Paste the copied API key into the designated field. Double-check that the API key has been entered correctly. After pasting the API key, save your changes in the AI email flow software. Now, return to Klaviyo and verify that the integration is successful. You should see a confirmation message indicating a successful connection. Lastly, test the AI email flows to ensure everything is functioning properly. Your Klaviyo account is now authorized for AI email flows. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.